everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I got something today that came by way of Frank over at 5 a.m. Ramen. He shot over a box of noodles, and you can go get some of these over at instantramen.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, we've got this fancy Nissin Menya Itto ramen. I don't know a whole heck of a lot about it, but it looks pretty fancy, so let's get to it. This came in a bowl, so we're gonna steep it like we do, but like I do, it's hard to steep, or hard to do up all the images and stuff without cutting up the bowl, so that's what I did. And we've got, looks like Menya and chashu in this one. So we'll put that on top. And yes, 5 minutes. So how's everybody doing today? Oh, we don't want to leave the... Whoa! Yeah, don't want to burn my fingers either. Anyway, how's everybody doing? I am like, my nose is just killing me, man. It's just all the moisture in the air, and then it dries everything out. Eyes are all goopy. I don't like it. I don't. And to make sure this show got to you today, I had to wrangle this camera a whole bunch. No battery in it right now. It's recording via a charging cable. I don't know, it's so finicky. It is the most finicky camera of all time. But I can't complain. I can, but there's no point. So what's going on? It is Friday, November 19th, 2021. In the news today, the Build Back Better bill just passed the House. Big surprise. Not really. And now it's going to go to the Senate, where it's going to just be a big crazy thing. I guess, what's his name? McCarthy, the Republican House guy, he did a big old long 8.5 hour blah 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 fest. He like talked about how he wanted a Tesla, and I think he said there was something about he thinks carrots are a good thing to put in your diet. Oh man, those filibusters, I tell you. Oh, this is supposed to go on top. Warm it up. There. Now it's on top. It's getting warm. Yeah. So, yes, being Friday, that means it's the gateway to the weekend. Excellence, excellence, excellence. I got a couple cool things lined up. Yeah, I'm going to do 3 today. That'll get me to my 4,110th review. Which means only 900, oh wait, only 890 to go to the big 5K. Wow. I guess I better get on it, right? Well, when I have 15 review weeks, those really push up that number. I guess, let's see, 890, 15 into 890. Whoa. Okay, that's working. Well, 10 weeks would be 150. 450 would be 30 weeks. It's gonna be a while. 15 review weeks. So about, if I did 15 reviews each week, every week for 60 weeks, I guess around New Year's 2023, I'd be at my 5,000th review. It ain't happening, I'll tell you that right now. I would... No, that's like outside the realm of possibility, I hate to tell you. You'll have to wait a little longer for that. And God, I can't even venture to guess what I would review for number 5,000. That's a big one. But I just hit number 1,300 a couple episodes ago of the of this show, so that's pretty cool. So I'll hit 1,500 of that soon, or later. Maybe by that time I'll hit my 2,000th episode of this show. And I keep getting people saying, you know, you should have more followers. Like, the way I look at it, the followers I have, they're good ones. They're really good followers. I'm not one of those people that are just like, oh, I need subs. That's a big thing. It's like, I posted something on Reddit yesterday, and all I got were people just saying, you know, if you put it in this subreddit, it would do a lot better. I'm like, I put it in the subreddit I put it in because it's in ramen. I don't know. I haven't posted in the ramen subreddit in a while, and there's a reason for that. Just a bunch of stinkers in there for the most part. It gets really, really lame. Okay, come on, Chashu. You're gonna hang out on the inside of this lid for a minute as we do our stuffings. Yeah. Went out early this morning, did a bit of walking. That was cool. Ooh, what's that? I don't know what that was. Oh, I know what that was. That was some Taiwanese noodles that just got through customs. They might be coming today. That'll be 2 days in a row of getting boxes of Taiwanese noodles. That one's gonna be, what's the brand? Charming Couple. These noodles are good. They taste like a charming couple. But actually, I think they're like Bang Bang, which is like super awesome. If you haven't had Bang Bang noodle, they're like wide, kind of like a belt noodle, and no broth. This one here, this smells pretty. This smells diabolically good. Yeah, I did an interview with this fella named Frank. He lives in Japan. He's a ramen hardcore. And he started his own subscription box business, and he has access to some really nice stuff over there, and well, he's got access to everything. I mean, he lives in Japan, right? But he really does a nice curated selection of the ultra premium stuff, which this is a part. So I was thinking, you know what I need to do? I might have to do that pretty quick, is a rundown, not really a top 10 exactly, but kind of like, I mean, it's not even Christmas here yet. I was thinking, like, you know, people probably would like to get their possible recipients or people who are interested in instant noodles subscription boxes, you know? I could do like an alphabetical list of subscription boxes that I get to try out and do up. Oh wow, they weren't kidding. So there's one sachet that's scallop oil, and the smell that it had before just totally changed. It's very scallopy. Yeah, wow, this turned into a total seafood action kind of thing. Come on, there you go. Cheers. That's really good. Wow. Let's have some broth. Oh, that's so thick. Very chowdery. That makes me think of chowder. It's a very nice taste to it. Impressive. Bowl. There's a slice of chashu. It looks alright. It's thin though, and that's just kind of something that always makes me go, man. But I got 2 eggs left. Uno, dos. Dos egos. And then, what else do we got to throw in here? That's lovely stuff, I gotta say. I've got to say. And I just did. That's what I do, I say things. And you watch and listen to me say things. What's wrong with you? Don't you have anything better to do? Quality Japanese sliced noodles. Or, these aren't sliced noodles. These are spring onions. And a little bit of these seeds in here. What just happened? Low battery. Yeah, whatever. You're plugged in. Yeah, they changed the GoPro app. There's a mistake. Am I out? No wonder. I hear it going tink, 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 but I just don't see it. Whatever. I think I might just ran out of shichimi. At least that bottle, I've got backup shichimi. There we go. Alright, so the next one is gonna be this. This is from Highlight Foods Lai Noodle. This is vegan sesame paste flavor. So check the show out tomorrow. Something cool from Taiwan. Have a good one. Bye.